Sorry, hindi ko na nakuha ng picture, ay ng video kasi I was so asleep. Kasi yung hotel na pinag-stayan namin, may isang ilaw na hindi ko mapatay. So parang feel ko half awake on the whole time. Pero okay lang. We left the hotel mga 5:30. Although advice sa amin, 1 hour lang to the flight pwedeng dumating. Pero we decided to go there early kasi hindi namin alam how the traffic is and pati yung domestic process. So so good. So we'll be landing in a while, landing in Sydney. So see you again. Nakalimutan ko i-describe pala yung in-flight service. So ang galing ng in-flight service ng Qantas. So merong breakfast, so they serve say croissant and a drink. So you drink pwedeng soda, coffee, and then meron ding in-flight entertainment. So kahit na sandali lang yung flight, yeah, so kaya naman ang ganda ng reviews lagi sa Qantas. Ito lang, the Sydney Domestic Airport. Actually, paglabas namin ng plane, nag-weld kami kasi biglang, ayan, may biglang car dito. So parang paglabas mo ng plane, as in, biglang parang nasa loob ka na ng isang mall. So yung mga paalis, tsaka yung mga para dumating, nakikita-kita na agad. Amazing! Ang galing kasi nga paglabas mo talaga ng plane, nandun ka na rin sa mga boarding gates. So talaga magkakasalubong kayo yung mga paalis at parating. Tapos pwede ka pa mag last minute shopping. O hindi last minute kasi kakarating mo lang. So pwede ka mag shopping ulit dito kasi meron ulit yung mga stores. Like ito, may Mac. Oh, here pala. May Mac. Jo Malone.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Those passengers at gate 6. Next flight departing from here is
pwede ka mag-stay mo na dito before you head to the city.
10:25, sirs. Just to run through with our boarding process, firstly when we board, we have assistance customers to get on board. We will also be pre-boarding those families.
May nakita lang akong ad, nakalagay lang kasi doon, catch the train, 15 minutes to the city. Diba? As in 50 minutes, you're in the city already. At iba na ang vibe, diba? It's the Sydney vibe. Ano, medyo less laid back. Parang yung mga tao parang busy-busyhan na, diba? Ang galing. Diba may mga restaurants sa ganyan. So, it's just amazing. Tapos, paglabas mo, kunin mo na lang yung baggage mo, and then catch a train, and then head to the city. Lapit lang. Sa Sydney Airport, ayan, dadiretso kami sa Wynyard. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lang. Oh, okay. Kaya pala, 15 minutes to the city lang. Go! Ang taray! Double-decker yung train! Ay! Yung kabilang side lang pala. Ayan! Double-decker! See you! Hey! We're here inside! Medyo wide lang yung gap, so pagpasok mo ng train, kailangan mong buhatin luggage mo. So, double-decker siya. That's what you call it. Medyo sa taas. Pero sa baba.
Next stop, Mascot.
So, daan na namin sa Central Station. And as you can see, ang ganda ng weather. Good morning, Sydney! So 4 stops to go before we go down at Wynyard Station. Good morning! Good morning! Alright, nandito na kami sa Sydney and we're crossing the street and we're making sure na walang trams na nagko-cross kasi ayaw naman namin na hindi makauwi ng Pilipinas. O diba? Just kidding. So, we're here now at George Street. Yeah. Okay, apparently this is a premium location and we're so happy that a friend of ours actually has allowed us to stay at his apartment. Yeah, I'm not sure if I can mention, pero we're somewhere here at George Street and it's a very premium place. O sige na nga, we're staying at 2 Bond and I'm just outside the building. Yeah. We're staying here. Yeah! Ang taas, diba? Ang taas, ang taas, ang taas. And this is just in front of, well, almost in front of, hang on. Ay, wait, there's a train. Oh, there's a tram. There's a train or a tram. So here, yeah, yay, there. So it's very convenient. I'm not sure kung pareho lang yung price dito compared with Gold Coast. Kasi sa Gold Coast, it was just 50 cents. Pero, I think, bago lang din daw to kasi dati, puro buses and cars lang nandito. Pero apparently here, yeah, I'll show it. Ayan, ayan. Ito, you can use this na to go around and bago na to. So it makes going around the city in Sydney much more convenient. So lalakad na kami, pupunta kami sa breakfast place. So yeah, see you later. Okay, lakad na ng lakad kami. Oh, diba? So, apparently, according to Google Maps, yung Enjoy Cafe, my favorite word, enjoy, It's just a 3-minute walk from here, and I'm not sure. So walk lang dito. Okay. So it's a Monday now here in Sydney. And may kasalita dito. Hi Mong, good morning. Good morning from Sydney. Ayan. So ano yung tanong mo? Ito yun. According to Google Maps, parang dito pa left pa. Yeah. So, ayan. Oh, di ba? Ayan, may mga tumatakbo pa. Parang hindi pa natapos yung kanilang passion for running. Kasi yesterday, kakatapos na ng Sydney Marathon dito. And apparently, there were 25,000 runners who joined the marathon. Oh, baka naman next time maka-join na tayo, di ba? Kaya pa ba ng mga tuhod natin yan? Alright, so nandito na tayo sa corner ng George Street and Grosvenor. Tama ba yung aking pronunciation? And apparently dito, makikita mo na yung Harbourfront. Ano nga ba yung, I forget the name of the bridge. Ayan. Yun, kita na yung bridge na sa dulo. Malamig ngayon. It was parang 14 degrees. Kagabi sobrang lamig, 9 degrees. So kaya mag-layer up na. Dahil ayaw naman natin magkasakit dito. Dahil alam mo naman, hindi tayo sanay sa ganyang weather. Coming from a very tropical country like the Philippines. Yeah. So according to our friend here, parang sige, lalakad na ako. Oh yeah, okay, lalakad na tayo. Ayan, nakita nyo ba yun? Yung sound na yun. It means it's a go. Ayan, so according to our friend here, iba na din yung Sydney ngayon after the pandemic. Kasi unlike before, everybody goes to the office, di ba? Every day. Dito, marami na talagang work from home. And kasi napansin namin yun, even when we were in Gold Coast. Teka. Ay, mali ako. Diretso pa pala. What's that?
Envoy.
Ano na? Envoy. Okay.
Ano ba yan?
Hindi.
Okay.
Enjoy. So, nawawala kami. So, ayun na naman yung tram. Favorite ka namin yung tram. Here. Okay. So, yun na nga. Ang sasabi ko. So, hindi na nga like before the pandemic kasi a lot of people here work from home na din. So, like yung friend namin, today is a Monday, she's working from home today. And meron niyang isang case dito na pandemic. Syempre, everyone was working from home. By the time it was normal for them to come back, it was safe for them to come back to the office. Teka, nangawit ako. yung mga empleyado nasa ibang state na kumbaga, parang if they were working in Sydney before the pandemic, lumipat na sila sa Queensland, and by the time na pinababalik na sila, hindi na sila makabalik. Pero I think naayos naman. I think since makaramihan naman ng mga office hybrid setup na. Sorry, nangangawit ako. Hindi ko mataas na mabuti. Ayan. I think we're here na bang. Okay. Yun, naayos naman. So, I think they go to the office twice a month. Kasi Queensland to Sydney naman or baka basta it's another state na closer. Baka from Gold Coast to Brisbane, which is closer. Okay, so we're here now. I think nandito na kami. Marami naman yatang breakfast areas dito. So, yeah. So, see you later. Kain muna kami. Ayun, so we're settled, finally settled. So, okay naman yung mga choices. Same with Gold Coast, we noticed na yung average cost per meal is about 20 to 25 Australian dollars. So, kailangan mag-save up when you're here para you get the full experience. And I'm excited to have my breakfast kasi sinuggest niya yung Vegemite. Hindi pa ako nakapag-Vegemite ever. So, hopefully, wala naman akong allergic reaction doon. So, exciting. Yeah. Yay! Ayan, dumating na itong Vegemite na merong avocado on toasted bread. Sige, tingnan nga natin. Ano bang lasa nito? Masarap kaya? And kasama ka naman is having... What are you having?
Hash brown.
Ay. What are you having?
I'm having hash brown with ham and egg.
Hash brown and ham and egg. There. Ayan, sorry. Yeah. Okay. Magkano yung breakfast mo?
14.
14 Australian dollars. Okay, not so bad. Pero kasi ito yung light breakfast option nila. So there's...
But they're in light because there's a wrap, there's a bacon. Kamaya, it's ang laki ng serving.
Kasi ang laki rin naman ng serving. So kahit na the average cost per meal is about 20-25, ang lalaki din ng serving. So pwede naman talaga kayo mag-share. Alright, we're eating na. I'll let you know kung paano itong Vegemite. Okay, try na natin itong Vegemite. First things first, kailangan clean ng hands. Yan, may alcohol ako. Actually ako, lagi ako may dala ng alcohol. Kasi syempre, di ba natin alam, di ba? Kakatapos pala naman ng pandemic and we're in a foreign country. We want to make sure, hindi naman ito ka-anti ha, pero we want to make sure na we're able to enjoy our vacation by staying healthy. Ayan, so tikman nga natin itong Vegemite.
Well,
Maalat-alat siya. Hindi rin ganun ka-strong yung taste ng avocado. Kung singaw ako Masarap kumain. When you're in Australia, do what the Australians do. Kain muna kami. See you later. I just noticed, parang yung pituhan namin place. Kasi dapat doon kami sa Enjoy Cafe, pero we ended up here in the Naked Duck. Nasa ilalim siya ng isang office building. And, so nakita mo yung mga tao, parang ano oras na ba? It's almost, 10:30 na pala. So, siguro most of them have started their meetings na their day. Nakakatuwa lang. Kasi ganyan-ganyan din yung buhay ko dati. Monday morning meeting, ay nako. Minsan iniiwasan mo yun eh. And I think even yung mga Australians, I remember how there was a time na they tried to avoid meetings on Mondays and Friday afternoons kasi they really focus more on work-life balance. Pero siguro, times have changed. Excuse me. Nakakamiss yung ganito, you're having breakfast, malapit sa office, tapos dadiretso ka na later for meetings.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Alright, okay, palis na kami. Oh, okay. Ang hirap natin sa vlog, kailangan talaga very organized ka din kasi marami kang gamit na equipment and you want to make sure na when you're starting to shoot, you are shoot ready and that thank you. Have a good day. Say hello to my vlog. See you. So, yun. So, you have to be organized. And you have to plan the day ahead. Like kung kailangan mo ng extra batteries, you have to charge your equipment. Kasi parang kang papasok ng gera. So, kailangan talaga you're equipped. And parang acting din yan eh. You want to make sure na your instrument is ready and able para ready ka sa gera. O, di ba? Ay, ang taas pala nito. Itong building. I'll show it to you. Pala ako nagre-record. So, ayun na nga. So, we're going around and we're gonna look for cheaper water. Kasi nga yung nabili namin water ng isang araw, parang $10. 10 Australian dollars. Diba? 400 pesos. Although 1 liter naman siya. Pero, para ka nagpagas, diba? Sa atin. So, naghanap kami ngayon ng lugar or store na may mas murang water. Baka yung nabili na namin kasi kahapon, since nandito rin siya along George Street, baka mahal. So, baka yung mga medyo nakatago. Baka doon kami sa Woolies, hindi sa 24-hour convenience stores kasi usually mahal doon, di ba? Kahit naman sa Pilipinas, ganun din eh. Pag na-distract ako, may pogi. Ayun. Diba? Okay. Upo muna ako dito. Oh! Ayan. Dito ako sa sabi Bridge. London Bridge. Bridge Street. Nakangawit ako. Bakit kaya ganun? Okay. See you later. Hello. So we're now on board a heavy trail, if I'm not mistaken, and we're going to Granville. It's going to be a 40-minute ride, and nakakatuwa lang yung train kasi merong 2 floors yung train. And now, dito ay Central. We just arrived at Central. Kita niyo ba? Hindi ko makita. Ayun, Central. There. Central.
This station is Central.
Yun na nga, Central. So, we're gonna see some friends and have lunch. And just enjoy the day. It's a chill day. Hindi ko na alam kung what's gonna happen in the afternoon. So, keep me posted. Bye!
Next stop, Redfern. This train will stop at Redfern. Next, McDonaldtown.
So we've been traveling for almost 25 minutes now. So very comfortable naman yung travel, tahimik, and ito na nga yung suburbs. So we're going to the suburbs. Actually, this is my first time to go to a suburb in Australia, and very residential feels, and I think a lot of people move to the suburb for practical reasons.
This station is Homebush.
Homebush. Maybe this place has a lot of bushes. That's why it's called the Homebush. So, ayun, so I was just saying, doon sa Parramatta, where another friend of mine lives, maraming Pinoy daw. Marami din mga Pinoy restaurants and Pinoy stores. And I think if you're living abroad, it's really more practical to live in the suburb kasi it's less expensive, and kung nandun naman yung mga I mean, if there are things there that are available and you don't have to go to the city.
Next stop,
doon ka na nga.
You could be fined for placing your feet on the seats.
Yes. Nako, may fine daw pag pag nilalagay mo yung feet mo on the seat. Oo, as in you can be fined. Actually, may nakita kami na I don't know kung tourist siya, pero sa Gold Coast yun. Talagang pinatong talaga niya yung paa niya dun sa seat sa harap niya. Oh well. Pero dito, mukhang very strict sila. Kasi sa Gold Coast, wala naman lumapit doon sa nakita namin. So Flemington na, it's parang, I think it's another 12 minutes. I think Michael. It's another 12 minutes to Granville, where we're meeting friends for lunch.
This train will stop at Flemington.
Flemington. It rhymes with Remington. Remington Steel. Alam nyo ba yun? 80s na TV show na pinagbidahan ni Pierce Brosnan at ni, oh God, ano nga name ng girl doon? Laura something. I super love that girl kasi napaka-feisty ng role na doon. Pero si Remington Steele, oh my God, doon talaga si Pierce Brosnan sobrang gwapo. And in fact, sa sobrang na-inspire,
is Flemington.
Lagi may ganyang announcement. Sabi ko nga, kung mawala ka pa, kasi siguro di-announce it 3 times or 4 times. Ewan ko na lang. Baka kailangan mo ng vitamins. Anyway, so yun nga. Yung Remington na yun, Remington Steel, I super loved it. Na pati yung signature ni Remington Steel, ginaya ko nung bata ako. Kasi parang may R, Remington and Rommel. Ayan. So baka Flemington Steel. Naka-jacket kami. Ay.
Next stop, Lidcombe.
Lidcombe. Silent E. Kasi Lidcombe. Lidcombe. Tahimik. Actually, kailangan mo magkape bago ka sumakay dito kasi aantukin ka. Well, I think para din naman sa ibang countries, huwag ka rin dapat maingay inside the train. Dito wala namang ganun, so kaya nakapag-vlog ako. Yung pala paglabas ko, biglang may magkakall ng attention, patay, nakakahiya. Oo nga, anyway, bago pa makall yung attention ko, mamaya na ako mag-resume. See you later. Hey, so we just came from our friend's house. So I just wanted to show paano yung buhay dito sa suburbs. Ayan, may mga buses. Kanina padaan kami sa Woolworth. It was like a community grocery store, although malaki siya. So, sobrang tahimik. Ang sarap paglakad kasi malamig. And ito, we're about to cross the pedestrian lane and they respect the pedestrian lane. Diba? Hindi ko na pinakita yung where our friend's house kasi medyo sad yung case. Yung mom kasi niya has dementia. Pero pag kinakwento naman nila yung benefits that they get from the government here, nakaka-amaze kasi tagang well taken care of yung mga citizens dito. And yun. So now we're just walking back to the train station kasi masarap maglakad kahit medyo hingal kasi malamig, hindi ka papawisan. Ito yung stretch na lalakarin namin. Okay. Hey, I just wanted to highlight that we just had lunch at El Jannah there. Yeah. Apparently very popular itong store na to is the original El Jannah store, and I must say the chicken was so good. And there was this food blogger, Mark Wins, if I'm not mistaken, who actually went all the way here just to taste the chicken. And the chicken was just really moist. And sorry, wala na akong picture kanina kasi yun yung nilunch namin with our friend, and we didn't want to show yung very private situation na doon. But yeah, actually shout out to Mark Wins. Let's collaborate soon. See you. Hello everyone. Siyempre, I think I really wanted to capture this moment, so I just had dinner with friends here in a restaurant called Cruise, and it was in front of the Sydney Opera House. So sabi ko, oh my God, this is going to look very good in my vlog. Pero I just wanted to capture this moment, nighttime, kasi I've seen a lot of vlogs and not a lot of people feature this area ng gabi. So, ayan, nandito sa likod namin yung Harbor Bridge. And I think naging iconic to for me kasi I always see it pag New Year celebrations nila. And ang ganda, grabe. And alam ko yung bridge walk. Yung bridge walk nila is also a very unforgettable experience, although I haven't tried it. And syempre, at the back, ayan, oh my God, the Sydney Opera House. Of course, diba? This view, this area wouldn't be complete in a vlog without featuring, of course, the very iconic Sydney Opera House. Ay, nako. Which, by the way, for me, personally, is unforgettable kasi meron akong picture dyan in front, and that was my first Facebook profile picture. Yay! Ayan, ang Harbor Bridge at night. And the Sydney Opera House at night. Sorry guys, kung hindi makita or clear, malabo na ang mata. O, diba? Sana nagustuhan niya. Hey guys, so if you really like my vlog, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Salamat po. Be kind. Bye.